the weekend. That's where you're going to notice the difference here across the area. All right, let's show you what it looks like outside this morning. It is quiet on our Viper 4D Doppler this morning. No rain out there and really no rain expected today. May see some tonight, but for today it should stay dry. Outside on our downtown camera view here, part of our Air Comfort Solutions camera network, it is looking good. We don't have any fog. You can see the little twinkling lights there of the city. Temperatures are a little on the warm side, and Tulsa is coming in at one of the warmer spots here across the area. It's 81 degrees right now. Winds are in from the south, 11 miles an hour. Dew points up. Again, we have just that humidity and that moisture out there, so you'll notice that like you have been the past several mornings. Again, this morning, same thing. So in some spots, it's a little cooler. Bartlesville typically is, but this morning, in other areas, we're seeing 70s. Again, Tulsa coming in at 81. It's about 73 this morning and prior. Now, the winds will be picking up today, gusting up to about 25 miles per hour at times in some areas, and that includes the Tulsa area. But currently, we have sustained winds at 11 miles per hour here in Tulsa. We are going to be watching for our next system to dip through the area heading into tonight and tomorrow. That is going to be changing up the forecast for it. It's going to bring us some cooler weather, and it's also going to be bringing us some rain. You can see that moisture all across the region from the north down towards the panhandle of Texas already today, but that will slowly seep into our area heading into Friday and the weekend. So today is going to be quiet with sunshine. We'll see highs back up in the 90s, so back well above average this afternoon. And then going into tonight, you may see a few showers, but it looks like most of that rain tonight will be to our west and to our north. This is as that system approaches green country, but it will continue then to bring rain throughout the day on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So as far as rainfall totals go through the weekend, we're looking at anywhere from 1 inch in some spots to the north to possibly closer to 4 inches in some areas isolated down towards the south. Tulsa kind of right in the middle, so anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches possible for us throughout the weekend. And so that's overall from Friday through Sunday. All right, so hour by hour today, it is quiet. We have sunshine out there. It is going to be a humid day with those heat index values getting back up into the 100s. Air temperature remaining in the 90s, but then it drops off. So we have 70s Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're looking for some cooler weather here across the area. We'll see the 80s briefly for Monday and Tuesday, but then another front comes through around Tuesday, drops those temps back down again. Wednesday looking great with clearing skies and highs in the 70s. Travis.